Welcome back to my page, everyone. If you are coming for the first time on this page, please do not hesitate to follow me on all social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, and some other social media platforms. Thanks for coming. We are still on geometry, covering about 38 theorems/axioms, and now we are on theorem 7. What are isosceles and equilateral triangles? An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two base angles of equal sizes and a vertical angle. So let's draw a triangle to explain that. This is what we call isosceles triangle. There are two base angles of equal sizes. The angle at B is equal to the angle at C, and the angle at A is the vertical angle of the triangle. Also, the sides AB and AC are equal in length. Let's now discuss equilateral triangles. What are equilateral triangles? An equilateral triangle has three angles of equal sizes and three sides of equal length. Each of its angles is 60 degrees, that is 180 degrees divided by 3. Now let's draw a triangle to explain what equilateral triangles are. Each angle is equal, that is to one another, that is A equals B equals C. And also side AB equals side BC, and that is also equal to side AC. Welcome back to my page, everyone. If you are coming to this page for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe or follow my page on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and some other social media platforms. Thanks for coming. We are still on geometry. Under theorem 7, we are covering about 38 theorems/axioms. Now let's treat some examples under theorem 7, that is isosceles and equilateral triangles. Looking at the diagram, triangle PQR is isosceles, and the same goes with triangle QSR. They are both isosceles triangles, so base angles are equal to each other. That is, the angle at Q here, that is angle PQR, is 40 degrees, and therefore the angle at P, which is the vertical angle, can be obtained by subtracting the sum of the base angles from 180 degrees. That is, angle QPR, this angle, equals 180 degrees minus sum of 40 degrees and 40 degrees, which is 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, and that is 100 degrees. Also, in triangle QSR, simply subtract 142 degrees from 180 degrees. That is sum of angles in a triangle, and then divide the result by 2 to give you each of the base angles of a isosceles triangle, which is 19 degrees. So SRQ is 19 degrees, and also here is 19 degrees, and 40 plus 19 degrees is 59 degrees. Welcome back to my page, everyone. If you are coming on this page for the first time, please do not hesitate to follow me on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and some other social media platforms. Thanks for coming. We are still on geometry, covering about 38 theorems/axioms. So we're still under theorem 7, and we are doing some examples on that. Without being told by anyone, we know that this triangle is equilateral. That is, all three sides are equal in length. If angle SRQ is 52 degrees, what is the value of X? That is angle PSR. So you can start by applying the theorem, which states that each angle is 60 degrees of an equilateral triangle. 60 degree here, 60 degree here, and then 60 degree here. That is each angle of equilateral triangle. Now let's label this small angle. Let's label it as K, angle K. And we know that the angle A, the full angle A, is 60 degrees. And then part of the angle is 52 degrees. So K can be obtained by subtracting 52 degrees from 60 degrees, which is 8 degrees. Now to find the angle X, that is angle PSR, simply subtract the sum of 60 degrees and 8 degrees, that is angle K, from 180 degrees. That is sum of angles of a triangle, which is 112 degrees. In my next video, we will do another example under this theorem.